Now we're getting ready to fill up the dough. First we're going to divide the dough. If you want it with only one filling, then you can leave it, but it's harder to roll it, first of all. And second of all, you can have more variety if you divide it. I'm going to divide this dough into 3 parts. And then each part I'm going to make into a small ball. And I'm going to roll it into a pizza kind of shape. It's important that when you roll it, it will become a circle. It's important for the shape of the Rugelach. What we do with the poppy seed is we roll it a little bit, and now I'm going to put the poppy seed on. As you can see, I put 3 tablespoons of sugar mixed with 3 tablespoons of poppy seed. I'm going to mix it up together. And now I'm going to put it on the dough, although I didn't finish to roll it yet. But the reason is that I want the poppy seed and the sugar to stick to the dough.